Hi everyone. I'm going to explain my work about the activity 1 in Prof Eduk 9, which is the progress chart. So we have here the name of the trainee, then the unit of competency, which is work in a team environment, then the um, training outcomes. So have described team role and scope. So this progress chart, is important for a trainee because it helps to track their learning improvement during training. It also shows how well they are doing, and it determines what skills they need to improve. Then in activity 2, we have our achievement chart here. So we also have the same name of the trainee, which is the respondent of the most training gap, the unit of competency, and those training activities. Then this achievement chart is important. Why? Because it shows the result or accomplishment they need to reach during the training. It also helps to measure met how they met learning goals and standards. So that's all po. Thank you for listening.